rice paddy field like this, so they have una. But now they use for fish pond. Between the white one here, this one to that one, between the white one, they already clear the mine. But outside here, they never clear the mine, so they say should be careful. And so now you will see is the shape of the jars. Many jars, very different shape. Some jars very big jars, some jars very small jars, some jars just medium jars. And you will see the hole of the jars also different. Some jars a circular hole, but some jars square hole, a rectangle hole, a triangle hole, or oval hole like that. Some jars just at the top, just flat. But some jars has the rim at the top. Because in the past time, Kuntiang people, they use for protect different things.